friends. I'm still here in the beautiful city of Nizwa, exploring its amazing tourist spots. I was told that visiting Nizwa Souq at night is an experience you just can't miss. And I couldn't agree more. So I'm here to share my nighttime adventure with you. Walking at night in Nizwa Souq is an unforgettable journey into the heart of Omani culture, history, and tradition. As the sun sets and the intense daytime heat gives way to a pleasant evening breeze, the souk transforms into a serene and magical space, illuminated by the warm glow of traditional lanterns. The cobblestone alleys, framed by beautifully restored stone buildings with carved wooden doors, invite you to explore every nook and cranny. The air is filled with the fragrant aroma of frankincense, blending with the earthy scents of spices, dried herbs, and the occasional waft of freshly brewed Omani coffee. Vendors, many dressed in traditional dishdashas, greet visitors warmly as they display their wares, ranging from intricately crafted silver jewelry and khanjars, ceremonial daggers, to handmade pottery, colorful textiles, and vibrant dates. The calm ambiance at night provides a unique opportunity to appreciate the architectural beauty and rich history of the souk, without the hustle and bustle of the daytime crowds. The rhythmic echo of footsteps on the stone pathways creates a meditative soundtrack as you wander past shops and stalls, each telling its own story of craftsmanship and heritage. Local artisans sometimes share tales of their craft, giving you a deeper appreciation for the artistry behind their work. The souk's iconic fort looms nearby, its illuminated silhouette a majestic reminder of Nizwa's historical significance as a center of trade and learning. What makes a nighttime visit truly special is the slower pace, which encourages reflection and a deeper connection to the spirit of the place. Couples, families, and curious travelers meander leisurely, often pausing to admire the intricate details of handmade goods or to savor traditional Omani sweets sold by friendly shopkeepers. Whether you're purchasing a souvenir, engaging in conversations with locals, or simply soaking in the peaceful atmosphere, walking through Nizwa Souq at night is a sensory experience that offers a rare blend of tranquility, culture, and timeless charm. Join me and let's explore together through this video. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated on all our latest content. Your support means the world. Thanks so much for watching.